Now, as we have learned more about the prerequisite, the system preparation, let's talk about skills measure. Skills measure is nothing but the syllabus for the exam, which is divided into key modules. We will go one by one. Let's get started with the first module, which is connecting to and preparing data. Here, the examination is trying to judge you based on your expertise around how you can create and save data connections, how you can modify data connections with blending, union, and join, and how you can manage data properties. These are more from a metadata properties and actual dataset properties. Apart from this exam will see your expertise around exploring and analyzing data. You need to know how to create a basic charts and a dual axis charts. So do not worry about the fancy charts. Those are not covered over here. That's a good news. Apart from that, organize data and apply filter, which is again one of the very important point. So you need to know how to group data, how to use sets, how to use hierarchy in Tableau. You need to know the filters, different types of filters like dimension filters, measure filters, context filters, and date filters. Apart from this, applying analytics to a worksheet can be a very important point. Within this, you will be measured based on your understanding of different types of sorts, reference lines and trend lines, calculations, and parameters. So these are going to be very important points. Apart from these two modules, we also have sharing insights. That's where you'll be measured on your skills on formatting view. So how best you use color, bolding, shapes, with animation, which is again very key feature in latest Tableau, the size and fonts. Apart from formatting visualization, we also have create and modify a dashboard. That's where the exam will measure you based on your understanding of creating different dashboard layouts, adding interactivity to your visualization, applying some advanced actions on dashboard, and molding your existing dashboard to support mobile devices. Apart from that, we also have stories in Tableau. So we'll talk about stories. We'll talk about how we can create a quick PowerPoint presentation kind of layout within Tableau. And once you're done with your dashboard or report, how we can share your dashboard as a PDF, as an image, and as a reference link from Tableau server or Tableau public. We will talk about those in greater detail. Apart from this, the fourth module talks about your Tableau concepts understanding. This module, I will say, is a core of Tableau. You need to know the differences between dimensions and measures, difference between discrete and continuous, when to use dimension, when to use continuous, and how to convert continuous to discrete and discrete to continuous. Tableau also supports aggregation. It supports all industry-wide well-known aggregations. We'll talk about those, how to apply aggregation on the visualization, and how to change aggregation on measures and dimensions. So Tableau Specialist certification measure you on your understanding, and that is divided into four important blocks. We'll talk about each of this in coming videos. We'll talk about those in a greater detail, point by point, with hands-ons and with quizzes and tasks.